Good day everyone, welcome to Hamster Kombat Daily Decipher. And like we all know, we have been given 1 million coin every day for completing a daily decipher. Yesterday was BTC, which was quite interesting. There is a 3-word decipher, and like we all know, Hamster Kombat uses Morse code. Morse code being used by tap or long press. So either you tap or you long press. So today's decipher is spelled ETHEREUM, ETHEREUM. So let's get into it immediately. So E, it's one tap. Then T is long press. Age is 4 tap, 1 2 3 4 tap. Then another E, 1 tap. Then R, tap, long press, tap. Then E, another E, 1 tap. Then U, tap tap, long press. That's tap tap, long press. Then M, long press, long press. So that's how we end the word Ethereum on our daily decipher. Thank you very much. Subscribe and follow for more Hamster Daily Morse Code Decipher. Bye.